Your sat nav follows a set of rules. It cannot learn, it cannot improve. It just executes instructions written by a programmer years ago. ChatGPT has never been given a single rule about how to answer your questions. It learned by reading billions of words until it figured out language on its own. Both are software, but they could not be more different. And understanding why changes how you think about AI completely. A normal computer program is like a recipe. The programmer writes every single instruction in advance. If this happens, do that. If that happens, do this. The program follows the recipe perfectly every single time. It never deviates. It never improves. It cannot handle anything the programmer did not predict. Think about a basic calculator. You press 7 plus 3, it gives you 10 every single time because a programmer wrote that exact instruction. The calculator has no idea what numbers are. It just follows a rule. Now think about how a child learns to recognize a dog. Nobody gives them a rule book. Nobody says 4 legs, fur, barks equals dog. They just see hundreds of dogs. Big ones, small ones, fluffy ones, tiny ones. And at some point, their brain figures out the pattern on its own. That is exactly how AI learns. You show it millions of examples, it finds the patterns, it builds its own understanding. No rules, no recipe, just practice and patterns. This is why AI can do things that traditional programs simply cannot. A spam filter built on rules would need a programmer to manually define every possible spam email in advance. An AI spam filter reads millions of emails, figures out what spam looks like on its own, and gets better every single day without anyone touching it. A sat nav programmed with rules cannot adapt if a new road opens tomorrow. An AI navigation system learns from millions of real journeys and improves continuously. Here is the key difference you need to remember. A normal program is told exactly what to do, every step, every time. AI figures out what to do from examples and gets better the more examples it sees. This is why AI feels so different from any software you have used before. It is not following instructions. It is learning, and that changes everything. Subscribe for more plain and simple AI explanations every week, and drop a comment below. What would you like me to explain next? I read every single one. That's AI. Plain and simple.